Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1988 Honda Cr250. This bike was dominating in AMA and World Motocross Series, local series, pretty much everywhere, and for good reason. These frames handled spectacular and had the cartridge forks on this, which were much better than the ones that came on the 85 model. Their first year cartridge was 86. I think it might have been 87 for the 250s, but what a really great handling bike with a motor of doom. The HPP power valve with the key in carb. The Honda just did it right, man. And make no mistake, these are still competitive with the right rider against a brand new motorcycle. We've seen a lot of guys do it at Loretta Lynn's and local tracks right here in Connecticut. I've seen bikes from this era with local pros running in the top 5 in the last 5 years. Just right out, right out of the box, they were super fast and absolutely, definitely faster than a 250 4-stroke. Just a lot of horsepower. They handled super, and this one is a really fine example. Before I put it on the stand, take a look at the frame rails on this. Really super clean set of frame rails here. Nice and straight. One tiny little ding in the front here, but typically these would get ruined in a couple seasons, and we generally won't do a restoration on one unless the frame is in outstanding condition, as this one is. So we took it right down on the frame and did everything to it. So starting with the frame was repainted, the original blood red. The engine was rebuilt. You can see it has the brand new top of the line FMF Gold Series exhaust. The original silencer is in good condition, so we kept that on there, and which is pretty rare to find any 80s bike with the original silencer that's in mint condition. This one has it. The engine was rebuilt, starting with on the intake side with a new air filter. The carb was completely rebuilt. New fuel lines, new drain lines, new reed valves. The top end was rebuilt with a brand new piston, new rings. The exhaust valve was serviced. The ports, Andrew actually polished the exhaust port and matched the intake ports, so it runs really good. It really hauls ass. All new hardware, water pump impeller, and was serviced, and fresh coolant. It's got new radiator hoses on here, all new engine hardware. It has a new Boyson factory racing ignition cover. The engine, when the engine was out of the frame, the cases were painted. You can see the countershaft sprocket protector. The last one we sold, the chain had come off and cracked the cases right here. This got a fresh set, a really nice set of cases. Just like when they left the factory, they're not damaged anywhere. These are the original pegs. There's a straight up proof this thing wasn't hammered racing. If the frame rails aren't enough proof, check out these pegs. They're like the day they came out of the box. All the hardware is still mint on it. The original shifter hardly has any wear on it, which is another clue. And look at the original chain guide. These usually smashed to smithereens. The swing arm's perfectly straight on this. It has new graphics on the swing arm. New bearings. Has new linkage bearings. New shock bearing. You see, it has a new Race Tech bumper on the shock. The original bumper's usually disintegrated. New works connection, frame guards. Starting at the rear of the bike, it's got a brand new XL1 rim laced with new spokes to the original hub with new wheel bearings. Brand new top of the line Renthal sprocket with the Pro X top of the line gold chain. New sliders, new rollers. It has a new shock guard on it. New rear fender, new side number plates, all new hardware, all new mounting hardware for everything. A new seat cover. The original fuel tank on this thing. Take a look at this tank, man. It is absolutely freaking spectacular. It looks brand new. The radiator shrouds are brand new. All the hardware, mounting hardware is new. The side number plate's new. Of course, got a new matching works connection frame guard on this side. Guys, this is the original shock sticker on here. There's more proof the thing wasn't hammered, because usually in a mud race that'll get all worn off or power washed off. It's just a really rare thing to find. You can see the original peg on this side's in mint shape. The original shifter is still intact. The original kicker's in good shape. All new hardware on the clutch cover. You can see the engine case on the side's been repainted. The all new hardware on the water pump, that's all been redone. New water pump seals. Of course, a new pipe. And heading to the front of the bike, you can see the original forks, these original cartridge forks, which are way better than the 89 upside down forks. A lot of guys were running these on the 89s because they had the cartridge forks dialed. They just flat work. Those have new seals and oil. It has a brand new XL1 front rim, as you can see, with a Dunlop Sports D952F. You can get up close to see it's still got the hairy nubs on it. Fresh, nothing like a fresh, brand new tire, nice and supple. New tubes, new rim strip, brand new XL spokes, laced to the original hub, which was restored with new bearings and repainted. That's a brand new rotor on the front, brand new NOS rotor, brand new brake pads. The caliper was rebuilt, the master cylinder was rebuilt with new DOT fluid, and of course, it's got the signature Renthal bars, including new ODI grips, a new kill switch, brand new Renthal crossbar pad, a new quick adjust black brake lever and clutch lever. Quick adjust on the clutch lever, not quick adjust on the, of course, on the master cylinder, but nothing like new levers, grips, and bars. All the controls feel really crisp. The original pegs are mint. You'd be hard pressed to find there's probably not a nicer 88 for sale anywhere on the internet today. You can go ahead and look. You probably won't find one. So let me spin it around to the other side. I probably left a few things out, but there'll be a full description on the eBay ad. Like I said, this is a perfect, this is not only a bike that you collect just because it's so cool to look at. It's the kind of bike you want to collect and hang on to forever. But it's not only a forever bike, but this is a bike that's actually a hell of a lot of fun to ride and handles really great. The radiators aren't, usually they're all bent like bananas. They're still nice and straight. And it also has a custom set of radiator guards that Andrew put on here. Super heavy duty. Look how nice the front of the radiators look. They're not bent at all. They're perfectly straight, which is pretty rare. I mean, this bike definitely wasn't raced because they would be bent and broken. The radiators are, usually they're aftermarket radiators by now. These are the originals. They look great. Yeah, the custom aluminum guards will keep the rocks out and keep those radiators looking good. The suspension's nice and supple. It also has air adjustability. If you can do some big jumps, you can put 10 or 12 pounds in there. But check her out, man. It's about as good as it gets. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Ship this anywhere in the world for you. 100% positive feedback because we call them like we see them. And we'll treat you like family before, during, and after the sale. We can even finance this. And we take trades, we'll ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.